4, 5, and 6. Look, more tables. They look the same. It says in the following problems, compute the dollar markup and the cost based on the selling price. Round your response to the nearest cent. So my cost plus my markup is equal to my selling price, just like before. We're basing it on the selling price, so the 100% has to go over here. This time we know the selling price is 156. We know the percent markup is 49%. So we would say 49% of the selling price is going to equal the markup. 49% times the selling price, $156 then. So we can go ahead and just multiply. 0.49 times the selling price, 156, gives me a markup of $76.44. And again, the easiest way to find the cost here is just to go ahead and subtract. If I take 156 and I subtract my 76.44, that should give me my cost up there on the top. So 156 minus, or 156 minus 76.44 gives me $79.56. Now if we wanted to, we could fill in the percent here. 100 minus 49 would be 51%, so that if you took 51% of your cost, you should get the 79.56. 0.51 times 156, sure enough, gives us that same 79.56. So we have multiple ways we could get our answers depending on how comfortable we are with percents, but this one's always based on the selling price. So 51% of this value is equal to this, 49% of this value is equal to this, and 100% of that value is equal to the 156. Number 5, in the following problem, compute the dollar markup and the cost based on the selling price. Round your response to the nearest cent. So again, my cost plus my markup is always equal to my selling price. I'm basing it on my selling price, so my 100% goes here. I know my selling price this time is $117. I know my percent markup is 31%. So that I know that 31% of the selling price is equal to that markup. And so I'm just going to take 0.31 times my 117. 31% of my selling price. 0.31 times 117 gives me $36.27. So my dollar markup, $36.27. In order to find my cost, the easiest way is just subtract 117 minus 36.27. So if I take 117, I subtract my 36.27, $80.73. $80.73 is my cost. So my dollar markup, $36.27, my cost, $80.73. Number 6 says, in the following problem, compute the dollar markup and the cost based on the selling price. So we know the cost plus the markup is equal to the selling price, and that we're basing it on the selling price. The 100% goes here. My selling price is $179, so I know my base. My percent markup is 29%. So I would say 29% of my base, my selling price, is equal to the markup, since it's the percent markup. So 0.29 times my selling price, $179, is going to give me my markup. 0.29 times 179, $51.91. My dollar markup, $51.91. My cost then, the easiest way to find my cost take the 179, subtract the 51.91, and so 179 minus 51.91 gives me 127.09. So my cost, $127.09.